the 2007 Performance Racing Industry Show, CENTROID introduced its new A590 high-speed CNC porting machine. A true 5-axis CNC, this new design utilizes an articulating head and a 24,000 RPM spindle. The high-speed A590 significantly reduces the time that it takes to port a cylinder head. Just like all of CENTROID's automotive CNC machine tools, the A590 comes as a complete package, including comprehensive training, the digitizing package, and all the accessories you need to start porting right away. CENTROID also introduced its new engine block blueprinting and machining center, the B4250. This incredible machine allows you to create perfect engine blocks with amazing accuracy. The probe will automatically determine the position and straightness of the existing cylinder bores. This information is displayed on the screen, and the operator can make simple adjustments to bore new holes at the exact location, diameter, and angle required. Like all CENTROID automotive CNC machine tools, the B4250 is sold as a complete package. The necessary tooling and accessories are included to start blueprinting and machining blocks. Nothing else extra to buy. With CENTROID's advanced fly cutter, you'll be able to deck blocks to the exact height, perfectly perpendicular to the cylinder bore.
Here was some of our fly cutters we have.
In addition to boring and decking, the B4250 can take care of all your other block machining requirements. Everything from boring out lifter holes to threading freeze plugs, the CENTROID Block Machining Center makes quick work out of blueprinting a block. Also new for 2007 is CENTROID's wheel resurfacing machine. This specially equipped CNC lathe allows you to take old beat-up, corroded, and scratched-up rims and make them look like new. The wheel repair process is simple. The machine will automatically copy the curvature of any wheel face. The digitizer does the work for you and automatically creates a program to resurface the wheel. Once the wheel shape's been copied, a tool is loaded in place of the digitizing probe, and the resurfacing begins. At the heart of all of our automotive machine tools is the user-friendly CENTROID CNC control. Designed and manufactured right here in the USA, CENTROID is located in Howard, Pennsylvania. In business since 1979, CENTROID has a reputation of producing reliable, user-friendly CNC controls with great service and support. Last but not least, CENTROID also demonstrated its 5-axis CNC cylinder head machining center, the A532. This machine is equipped with CENTROID's patented tilting rotary table and a 24-station automatic swing arm tool changer. In addition to porting intake and exhaust runners on a cylinder head, with the A532 you'll be able to create complete cylinder heads right out of the machine. You can do it all, everything from creating perfectly matched combustion chambers, to engraving your name and logo on the side of the head, or creating custom-sized valve spring pockets that are perfectly perpendicular with the valve guide hole.